10 Fun Things to Do When You're Home Alone. Do you ever feel compelled by social media and cultural pressures to be more social and outgoing? Or do you take the time to find fun things to do alone? Sometimes it appears the only way to be happy and fulfilled is to cram your schedule with social events and spend most of your waking hours with other people. There's no doubt that we need relationships for our mental and emotional health. Having a strong social network strengthens our confidence, adds joy to our lives, improves cognitive ability, and even helps us live longer according to research. But there are times when we need to step back from our busy social lives to recharge, especially for those of us who are introverts. Welcome to Exclamatory Show. Subscribe our channel to be an exclamatorian. You may also find yourself in situations when friends aren't available, and you have to spend some time alone. But this isn't necessarily a bad thing. In fact, what if you deliberately take some time to some activities alone and at your own pace? Some people think being by yourself suggests you're a recluse, unpopular, or awkward. But being alone at times is good for you, as there are many positive benefits to embracing your solitude. Fun things to do alone. 1. Go to a farmer's market. Enjoy a leisurely stroll through your local farmer's market. Grab a bouquet of fresh flowers, and find some new produce that you have never cooked with before. 2. Write a song. Write your own song about your life or emotions, and if you're musical, come up with the music to go with the lyrics. Practice singing it until you feel confident sharing it with others. 3. Check out a nearby town. Take a mini vacation for the day to a town close by that you haven't yet explored. Treat yourself to lunch and go to popular sites and stores to learn more about this new locale. You may want to visit again later with friends. 4. Shop. Take your time to wander through your favorite store at your own pace. You don't have to look for anything in particular, just take the time to look around at the retail eye candy and make a wish list for yourself. 5. Play with your pet. If you have a cat or dog, spending alone time with him is the perfect opportunity to bond. Studies show that this bonding with your pet can lower stress, improve fitness, and make you less lonely. If you don't have a pet, offer to take care of a friend's pet for the day. Pets can bring you a sense of joy that may surprise you. 6. Make a time capsule. Grab a box and some items that you think represent your current life. These can be journals, photos, ticket stubs, news articles, or a letter written to yourself. This is a creative way to reflect on who you are now and your hopes for the future. Your future self will enjoy opening it. 7. Travel. This may seem like a big step if you are used to a travel buddy. But think about sightseeing in places that interest you that you might not visit with friends. Consider the freedom of not having to accommodate another person's needs or priorities in your itinerary. 8. Learn a new skill. If you're getting bored with your regular old hobbies, teach yourself something new. You don't need any experience or talent, in fact, that's the point. Have you ever written poetry, learned a new language, or played the guitar? 9. Go for a jog. Run at your own pace, burn off some stress, and stop whenever you feel like it. This is a great time to reflect, brainstorm, and work through challenges. 10. Read a book in the park. Pick a comfortable place outside to enjoy that book you've been wanting to read. Maybe it's a self-help book or a cheesy romance novel that you don't want to display on your living room table. Relax and glance up to people watch every now and then. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit the bell icon.